In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete Telegram files permanently from mobile. If your phone has been filling up with photos, videos, voice notes, and documents from Telegram, this quick cleanup will help you reclaim space without affecting your chats in the cloud. Think of this as clearing Telegram's local storage on your device. Your conversations and media remain available in Telegram. You are just removing the copies saved on your phone so you can free up space immediately. Start by opening the Telegram app on your mobile device. Once you are in, look to the bottom toolbar and tap Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all the controls for privacy, notifications, data, and storage. And it's the fastest way to manage how much space the app uses on your phone. Next, tap Data and Storage. This section focuses on how Telegram handles your media, downloads, and network usage. It's the place to go when you want to understand what's taking up space and to trim it down safely. Now select Storage Usage. Here you'll see a clear breakdown of what's stored locally, things like photos, videos, files, and cached data. It helps you understand exactly where your storage is going. If you've been in busy group chats or channels, you might be surprised at how quickly these caches add up. When you are ready to clean house, tap Clear Entire Cache. If a confirmation appears, go ahead and confirm. This removes the saved copies of media from your device, immediately freeing up space. Your messages and media are still in your chats on Telegram servers, so you can re-download anything you need later by opening the conversation again. If you prefer more control instead of clearing everything at once, you can choose specific types of files to delete, like only videos or only documents, so you keep what matters and remove what doesn't. A quick note to set expectations. Clearing the cache does not delete your chats or remove the content from Telegram entirely. It only wipes the local, temporary files from your phone. After clearing, you may notice that some media needs to re-download when you view it again. That's normal and by design, and it's what keeps your phone storage lean. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.